Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome back to the channel. I am so glad you're here today. We often think that luxury requires vast, sprawling square footage, but true elegance is actually about intentionality, not size. If you're working with a compact living area and feel like you have to sacrifice style for function, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down the design secrets to making a small living room look incredibly expensive and curated. Let's transform your space into a high-end sanctuary. The foundation of a high RPM, refined, polished, minimalist aesthetic is rooted in a sophisticated, low-contrast palette designed to maximize spatial perception and psychological serenity. To transform a compact floor plan into an expansive, expensive sanctuary, designers are increasingly utilizing monochromatic layering, a technique that prioritizes tonal depth over color variety. The core palette, the new neutrals. The 2026 forecast moves away from the stark, cold whites of the previous decade, favoring living neutrals that react to light. Creams provide a luminous, reflective base that prevents shadows from pooling in corners. Oatmeal introduces an organic, earthy warmth that adds a sense of heritage and comfort. Soft stones incorporates mineral-inspired grays and taupes, reminiscent of travertine and limestone, to ground the room with a sense of permanence. The technique, monochromatic layering. Monochromatic layering is the strategic application of different shades, tints, and textures within a single color family. By eliminating high-contrast visual breaks, such as a dark sofa against a white wall, the eye moves seamlessly across the horizon line. This lack of visual friction tricks the brain into perceiving a larger footprint. Key implementation strategies. Textural contrast. Since the color remains consistent, interest is generated through touch. Pair a heavy boucle chair with a smooth silk rug and matte plaster walls. Shadow play. Use architectural lighting, recessed LEDs or cove lighting, to create natural gradients within the monochromatic scheme, adding three-dimensional depth. Material integrity. Use high-end materials like unlacquered brass, light-toned white oak, and honed marble to reinforce the expensive feel without needing bold colors. The 2026 Quiet Luxury Forecast. Quiet luxury in 2026 is defined by stealth wealth interiors, spaces that do not shout for attention but command it through quality and cohesion. This aesthetic focuses on visual continuity, carrying the same floor-to-ceiling tones to blur the boundaries of the room. Curation over collection, removing visual clutter, small knickknacks, in favor of a few oversized, sculptural pieces that share the room's tonal DNA. High-performance minimalism, utilizing durable, high-end finishes that maintain their new appearance longer, ensuring the room feels pristine and high RPM at all times. One of the most frequent errors in interior design is the tendency to furnish a small room with miniature pieces. While it seems intuitive to match the scale of the furniture to the square footage, filling a room with several small items creates a fragmented, dollhouse effect that results in visual noise and clutter. To counter this, interior designers recommend the fewer but larger rule. By selecting a few substantial, high-quality pieces with clean, sleek silhouettes, you create a sense of intentionality and calm. A single, well-scaled sectional often makes a studio apartment feel more expansive and functional than a collection of cramped chairs and mismatched side tables. To further enhance the perception of space, prioritize furniture with exposed legs rather than pieces that sit flush against the floor. When the base of a sofa, armchair, or credenza is lifted, the eye can track the floor all the way to the wall. This uninterrupted line of sight creates negative space underneath the furniture, tricking the brain into perceiving more square footage than actually exists. This airy aesthetic prevents the room from feeling heavy or boxed in, lending an architectural lightness to the environment. The foundation of the room, the rug, is equally critical to the room's perceived dimensions. A common pitfall is choosing a rug that is too small, which visually chops up the floor and makes the room feel shrink-wrapped. A large rug that extends under all the major pieces of furniture acts as a powerful anchor, unifying the design elements and pushing the boundaries of the room outward. In a living area, the rug should be large enough for at least the front legs of all seating to rest upon it. This creates a cohesive zone of luxury and comfort, making the entire footprint of the room feel utilized and expansive. By prioritizing scale, sightlines, and generous floor coverage, you can transform a cramped area into a sophisticated, breathable sanctuary. Luxury interior design transcends visual aesthetics, rooting itself in the multi-sensory tactile experience. To achieve a high-end atmosphere, one must master the art of textural layering, which creates visual depth and physical comfort. 1. The art of textural contrast. The juxtaposition of opposing materials prevents a room from feeling flat or one-note. Heavy linen provides a grounded, organic foundation. Its visible weave adds a touch of wabi-sabi or imperfect elegance that suggests artisanal quality. Marble acts as a cold, hard counterpoint. The natural veining in a marble coffee table serves as functional art, offering a smooth, reflective surface that contrasts with the matte absorption of fabric. Plush velvet introduces a sense of opulence and light play. Velvet absorbs and reflects light differently depending on the pile, adding a dynamic sheen that signals comfort and wealth. Point 2. Hardware, the interior jewelry. In design, hardware is often the most overlooked element, yet it serves as the finishing touch that defines a room's era and quality. Brushed brass offers a warm, vintage modern appeal. Unlike polished gold, brushed brass is subtle and sophisticated, hiding fingerprints while providing a soft glow. Matte black provides high contrast definition. It acts as an anchor in modern or industrial designs, drawing the eye to functional points like cabinetry handles or light switches. The custom signal. Standard builder-grade finishes, like brushed chrome or plastic, are mass-produced. By upgrading to weighted, solid metal hardware with unique silhouettes, you transition from a stock look to a bespoke, curated environment. Point 3. Elevating perceived value. The perceived value of a home is often found in the micro moments: the weight of a door handle, the coolness of a stone surface, or the softness of a throw. Cohesion. Ensure that hardware finishes are consistent throughout a visual plane to create a sense of intentionality. Visual weight. Heavy textures and solid materials suggest permanence and durability, two hallmarks of luxury real estate. Sensory engagement. A high-end home should engage the sense of touch as much as the sense of sight, making the space feel lived in yet meticulously polished. When you lack floor space, look up. Hang your curtains high and wide, positioning the rod as close to the ceiling line as possible and extending it 8 to 12 inches beyond the window frame on both sides. This technique draws the eye upward, mimicking the grandeur of high ceilings, and ensures that when the curtains are open, the fabric rests against the wall rather than blocking the glass, maximizing natural light and making the window itself appear significantly larger. For lighting, avoid the big light, the central overhead fixture, at all costs, as it flattens textures and creates harsh, unflattering shadows. High-end interior design relies on layered lighting to define a space. This involves a three-tier strategy. Ambient lighting, the base layer, often provided by dimmable floor lamps that bounce light off the ceiling. Task lighting, functional sources like soft table lamps or adjustable reading lights placed near seating areas. Accent lighting, directional sources such as battery-operated puck lights inside bookshelves or picture lights above artwork. Embracing a compact footprint is less about making sacrifices and more about mastering the art of intentional living. A small space acts as a natural filter, forcing you to prioritize quality over quantity and function over filler. When every square inch counts, every design choice becomes a definitive statement of your personal aesthetic. Whether you are working with a studio apartment, a cozy urban nook, or a tiny house, remember that constraints often breed the most creative and sophisticated architectural solutions. To help you transform your environment, consider these core principles of small space curation. Maximize vertical real estate. When floor space is limited, look up. Floor-to-ceiling shelving, hanging planters, and wall-mounted lighting draw the eye upward, creating the illusion of height and freeing up essential walking paths. Invest in multifunctional pieces. Seek out furniture that serves dual purposes. Think storage ottomans, nesting tables, or drop-leaf desks that can be tucked away when not in use. The power of reflection and light. Strategically placed mirrors can visually double the size of a room by reflecting light and views. Opt for sheer window treatments to invite as much natural light as possible, which helps to blur the boundaries of the room. Cohesive color palettes. Using a unified color scheme across walls and large furniture pieces reduces visual noise, making the environment feel expansive, airy, and serene. Which of these strategies resonates most with your current home layout? Are you planning to tackle a vertical storage project, or perhaps you're on the hunt for the perfect multifunctional coffee table? I invite you to share your specific challenges, questions, or success stories in the comments below. Your insights help build a community of inspired creators and problem solvers. If these tips sparked a new idea for your home, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. By joining our community, you'll gain access to a continuous stream of interior design inspiration, deep dive styling tutorials, and innovative space-saving hacks designed to help you love the home you're in. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I look forward to seeing your transformations and will see you in the next video.